Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Come back with me. In this video, we will discuss of HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is language used to create a web page. Every web page you see on the internet is created using HTML. HTML uses elements defined by tags. HTML tags are the basic component of this language and provide structure and content to web page. History of HTML. HTML 1.0, the first version of HTML released in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. HTML 2.0 released in 1995, introduced several new tags. HTML 3.2 released in 1997 by the W3C, added super for tables and other elements. HTML 4.1 released in 1999 became the standard until the introduction of HTML5. HTML5, the last version, released in 2040, added new features such as video, audio, and cinematic element. Basic HTML structure. The basic structure of an HTML document consists of the following elements: doctype HTML, document type declaration indicating the version of HTML used. HTML, the root element that's where the entire page content. Head, the parts of the document that contains metadata such as the document title and links to CSS files. Title, the title of the page displayed in the browser tab. Body, the parts of the document that contains the main content displayed in the browser. HTML, head, title, body. HTML elements and text. Opening text paragraph. Konten ini adalah sebuah paragraf. Closing text backslash p. And HTML attribute herf is attribute that determine the destination URL of the link. Text element heading H1 to H6 for heading of various levels. Paragraph P for paragraph text. The format BEP is strong MU and others. Links and image. Link using text with herf attribute. Image using the image text with SRL attribute. SRC and attribute deskripsi gambar. List. HTML support two types of list. Unique handled list using UL and LE. LE for item 1, item 2, and item 3. HTML support two types. List OL and LE. Table in HTML, the created using the table tr, td, and th text. Example, you can see for image tr, th, td, formula. From are used to collect user input. From text include from, input, label, text area, and button. Label, uh, from, input, label, text area, and button. Cinematic element HTML5 interaction cinematic element that gives meaning to the document structure. The header section of the document or section. Navigation section a section of chapter of the document. Article standalone article. A side of addition content. Footer the footer section of the document of section. Special character shorthand character cannot be written directly in HTML and must the character instances. Inclusion of CSS and JavaScript. CSS cascading style state using the design web packs. Internal CSS version in the style text in the head section. Style body for head and external CSS using the links text in the head section. JavaScript, a program language used to script interface web pages. Internal JavaScript written inside the script text in the head or body section. Script. Halo dunia. External JavaScript. Using the script text with the src attribute. Example for simple webpack combining HTML and CSS. You can see for image. Conclusion HTML the foundation of the all web pages and mastering HTML is the first step in becoming a web developer. HTML provides a basic structure and allows you to organize web content effectively. Thanks for watching. Watch the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.